Let's see how to change keyboard background iPad. In the first step, open Settings, next tap General. After that, select Keyboard. In the next step, open Settings. Next, choose Accessibility. Then tap Display and Text Size. In the next step, open Settings. Later, tap Wallpaper. Next, select a fresh background. In the next step, open Settings. Later, navigate to Keyboard. Then tap Text Replacement. In the next step, open Settings. Later, select Accessibility. Later, tap Keyboards. You are good to go.